This is Two Little Dicky Birds, a nursery rhyme. This is another one of Karlie's favorite nursery rhymes. The two birds are flying away and coming back to the wall. It's just like Five Little Ducks. If you haven't seen Five Little Ducks, please watch that after this video. Let's watch the nursery rhyme and let's watch the birds flying.
Oh, look at those two Dicky birds. Aren't they cute? Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Look, there goes Peter. Look, there goes Paul. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
That's it. That was the nursery rhyme of Two Little Dicky Birds. Stay tuned for more videos from Karlie's production company. Thank you for watching.